guys, this is our new Jayco. This is the outside. It's a lot bigger than I thought it was. So it was not easy driving through Chicago today. You can hear the train. Sorry. Don's got his roof ladder. And you can see, I don't know if you can see in, but this is the inside. I'll show you in a minute. And we've got one slide out. That's the dining room table. And we got a new hitch and everything. It's got an awning. We haven't put the awning out, so we'll just slip inside to see what the inside is like. Now it's got triple stairs, which people say are supposed to be really good. I have no clue. Okay, this is our bedroom. The only bedroom. And yes, it is awful small, but we've got one door, and yes, see, the door does close, so I'm happy. And then we can go either in. Here's the bathroom, there's the shower, there's the sink, and there's a little tiny toilet. I don't know if I'm going to be sitting on that because that's awful low to the ground. So, and then this door goes from there to the rest of the trailer. That's the dining room table. Slide out. We've got a really nice fridge. And we've got a microwave. We've got a little tiny oven there. And a 3-burner stove, which is nice. And then our sink. I like our sink. It's got 2 sides. And then some storage up there. And then we've got Megan's bed that flips out. It's a triple flipper. Flips out. This is the dining room. Now I want to show you the most important thing. See over here? This, right from about here to the wall, is my craft space. This is all that I am going to get to craft. But see right here, I can just slide in here and sit down and craft. And then look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but this is a hole that you can, I'm going to put a bunch of my stuff there. I see something on the floor. It's one of the things to do the, so I really like it. There's some more storage over the dining room. And then there's storage underneath the dining room. And this is our TV. And our storage above our TV. Look at that. And then we have storage below our TV. And storage inside. And then we have our TV. I love, look at, here's another drawer. Look at how big that drawer is. And then we have storage over here. Look at, like a coat rack. You know, like we're going to put coats in there. We're going to put something else. And another little storage area. I just love it. So, for Stampin' Camp with Mary, you're going to see me right there making my cards. Tell your friends about us. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye.